To create a perfect YouTube channel in 2024, you might think this is easy, but there are settings you need to set up so that you achieve success. You achieve good results in your YouTube journey. Settings are so important that they will help you monetize your channel in less than 1 month. We are going to start with creating a Google account. So go to Google and sign up. Create Google account with your username. Put your date of birth, put all the informations, create a password, a unique password that you will always remember. Add your phone number for easy access, though it's not mandatory. You can choose to add your phone number or not. Yes, your Google account is ready. Just log into your Google account, because that's what you are going to use to create your YouTube channel. Let's start your channel creation. Okay, put your username, the username you will like, or you can use your name as your username in YouTube. Just use a unique name that will define you, a name that people will always remember. When they remember you, your name be easy to remember and to access. Okay, people that know you should go to YouTube and see you. You're supposed to sit down and pick a niche. You're supposed to know your niche before choosing a username, so that your name will be related to your niche, or you use your own name. Your original name is also accepted. The next thing is for you to go to YouTube Studio. That's where you're going to do the main settings. Once you are in YouTube Studio, set up the currency. Is normally USD, that is dollar. Step, go to channel, then go to basic info. Choose your country residence. Choose your main country residence. If you are from Nigeria, choose Nigeria, is not a problem. If you don't want to choose your country, you can leave it blank, but when you want to verify your account, YouTube will definitely ask you for your country. The next thing is channel keywords. Input the keywords based on your niche, the things you are going to talk about in your videos. So you put on the keywords, your niche, the things you want to make video about, put them as your keywords. Put the keywords. The keywords will help people to locate your channel. Next stage, go to advanced settings. You have to select the people that your videos are for, adults only, children only, or customize every video. I leave mine as customize every video, but if your niche is kids, you can choose only kids, or if your niche is just adult, you can leave yours at adult. The next step is for you to choose whether viewers can collect clips from your video, but it doesn't really matter. You can choose it, it's not a problem. The importance of the next settings is for you to upload more than 5 minutes video, up to 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour video. You have to add your phone number, add your country phone number to verify and save, so that you can be able to upload any kind of video you want to upload. Once your phone number is verified and activated, it will automatically verify other features. So verifying your phone number is very important. The next thing is identity verification. To enable this, you can upload your identity card and verify it, or just leave it. YouTube will automatically verify you once you start uploading longer videos. This is where you can choose titles for your videos, but you can't do that because you cannot use one title for all your videos. Just leave it on default. The next thing is your description, where you can put your descriptions. You tell your people what you want to do, what you want to talk about in your videos. You put your descriptions, then you can add your links, your email link, your products. Assuming you want to do affiliate marketing, your videos, your channel, add the link here. Other settings, comments, enable. You have to enable so that people will comment on your videos. Then the permission section, you can choose whether you would like people to see your insights, into allow people access your YouTube studio, to see, view your progress in YouTube. So it's your choice to make. What if you like that is okay. If you don't like, all these settings is what will make you go far in YouTube. The next important place you can go to is block words. You can write the words you don't want to see on your videos, words like maybe stupid, idiot, offensive words you don't want to see in your, all the hate speech you don't want to see in your comment section. You write them there and block them. Once you are done, click on save. Half of the job is done. Very soon you are going to have 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers, and your channel will be monetized. Let's continue. The next place we are going to now is the branding. So go to your profile picture, choose your own photo, a very good, sharp, good looking photo. If you can also get a picture that is related to your channel's name, something that can represent your channel in that profile picture, and your picture need to be there so it will be good. Your profile picture need to represent you well. So the next thing is your banner. Customize your banner very well, okay, so that anyone that sees your banner will like to come to your channel to watch what you are doing. Have you learned anything from this video? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. The comment section is open. Ask me any question, whatever you want to say it in the comment section. And before you go ahead with this video, there is a video that is coming up now. This video, how to do YouTube channel and make mega money in Nigeria, in Africa. Watch that video before you go ahead with this one, before you create your account. See you in my next video. Bye.